Alright. Potential bad capacitor here. Customer stated fan was running backwards. He swapped those wires there, said it'll run the right way for a minute, but when it satisfies and starts back up, ooh, that dirty, starts back up, it messes up the rotation. So we gon', god damn, that's dirty. So we're gon' check this capacitor here. Fan was just, yeah, that baby smoking hot. The spider web of wires. $57.5. Yeah, that puppy's hot. Let's see what we got here. Should be a simple capacitor call. See what we got. We should be reading 7.5. She gone. Hold on. How you doing? Good.